Hello viewers, welcome back again to Aone Studio. We recently completed this modern and minimalist logo design for our client. Today, I will show how I created this modern and minimalistic logo design using Adobe Illustrator software. So let's first open Adobe Illustrator software. First, we need an artboard. So I'm gonna clicking the Create New button and typing the name of our logo. We are keeping the artboard size 1280 by 800 pixels. I need a background. So from the rectangle tool, I am taking a black color background. First, we need to take a triangle to create the media icon. We need to take 5 steps from the rectangle tool to make the logo the right size. To get 3 perfect lines of our logo, we will use the triangle to cut the extra lines with the Shape Builder tool. To make the logo a nice 3D look, we need to add another shape between the 2 shapes. Now I'm replacing the shapes to the correct size. Then remove the unnecessary parts of the logo and set the size of the logo correctly. After that, we needed to round the corners. I'm going to take a circle and place them in certain corners of our logo. Then I will cut the extra parts. In exactly the same process, I will round all the corners of the logo. Alright, so the main part of our logo is perfectly done. Now I am taking a circle to enclose the logo in a circle and increasing the stock around the icon. Wow, finally our logo design is completed. Now I am gonna add the brand name from the type tool, and I am keeping the brand name in white color. Alright viewers, you can see we created an outstanding modern and minimalist logo design. If you need any kind of graphic design service, for example, logo and brand identity design, banner and ad design, social media design, for any kind of design service, you can contact us. We will help you to transform your dream design into reality.